Ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at might just be the most significant Bentley of the modern era. This is the all-new 4th-generation Flying Spur, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about hybrid luxury cars. Let's get the headline figures out of the way, because they're absolutely mind-blowing. How does 771 horsepower sound? That's right. This hybrid Bentley is the most powerful four-door the company has ever created. 0 to 60? Try 3.3 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks. And this is a full-size luxury sedan with a back seat that would make a first-class airline jealous. But here's where things get really interesting. Under that sculpted hood lies a technological masterpiece. A 4-liter twin-turbo V8 working in perfect harmony with an electric motor. The V8 alone churns out 592 horses, while the electric motor adds another 187. Together, they deliver an earth-moving 738 pound-feet of torque. That's enough twist to alter the planet's rotation. Theoretically, of course. Now you might be thinking, great, another powerful hybrid that can barely make it to the grocery store on electricity alone. Think again. This Flying Spur can cruise for 47 miles on pure electric power. That's enough for most daily commutes without using a single drop of fuel. And when you do need to recharge, it'll take just 2 hours and 45 minutes to fill up that 26 kilowatt-hour battery. But the real magic happens when you combine both power sources. The total driving range is an impressive 515 miles, making this the perfect grand tourer for the modern age. Want to cruise silently through the city? You can do that. Need to overtake a train while crossing the Alps? This Bentley's got you covered. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in what might be the most technologically advanced Bentley ever made. The cabin is a masterclass in luxury, but now it's smarter than ever. The new Flying Spur introduces something called the My Bentley App Studio. Think of it as an app store for your car. And yes, it has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, because even Bentley owners need their Spotify playlists. But here's where it gets really clever. The new wellness seating, available on all 4 seats, doesn't just heat and cool you. It actually monitors your posture and subtly changes the pressure points throughout your journey to prevent fatigue. It's like having a ghost masseuse built into your seat. There's even an air ionization system that keeps the cabin air cleaner than a hospital operating room. The exterior changes might seem subtle at first glance, but they're all purposeful. There's a new grille design, dark-tint brightware that gives it a more sinister look, and when you open the doors, LED welcome lamps project an animated version of the Bentley wings onto the ground. It's theatrical, it's excessive, and it's exactly what a Bentley should be. But the real party piece is how this car drives. The chassis features something called Bentley Performance Active Technology, which includes dynamic ride and all-wheel steering. The new twin-valve dampers can control compression and rebound separately, which means this 2.5-ton luxury yacht can transform from magic carpet to track weapon at the press of a button. In EV mode, you can silently waft along at up to 87 miles per hour. But switch to sport mode, and the full might of the hybrid system is unleashed. The instant torque from the electric motor fills in any hint of turbo lag, creating the kind of acceleration that makes passengers question their life choices. Let's talk numbers again, because they're worth repeating. This hybrid Bentley produces 90% less CO2 than its predecessor. 90%. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. And remember that 3.3-second sprint to 60? That's half a second quicker than the old W12-powered speed model. Progress, it seems, tastes pretty sweet. So what we have here is nothing short of a masterpiece of modern engineering. It's a car that can sprint like a supercar, coddle like a luxury liner, and cruise through zero-emission zones without breaking a sweat. It's proof that the future of luxury performance isn't just electric, it's electrifying. The new Flying Spur isn't just the most powerful Bentley sedan ever made, it's also the most efficient, the most technologically advanced, and arguably the most impressive. It's a car that doesn't just move the goalposts, it picks them up and takes them home. Is it perfect? Well, that charging time could be quicker, and yes, it's still a very heavy car. But when you're redefining what's possible in the luxury segment, a few minor quibbles seem rather insignificant. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of luxury has arrived, and it's wearing a flying bee. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.